So today in Ashian we are going to see how to create a table. So first we'll go to our HTML folder, and in this folder we are creating our HTML file. I'm naming it as table.html. So this is our file, and here I'm getting my basic Emmet code, and here within body section we'll be creating our table. So to create a table we need table tag. It has both opening and closing tag, and in between these two tags we'll be creating our table. So table tag has an attribute border, which is used to give border to table, and how thick is that border, how thick border we want, will give it in the form of pixel. I want border should be 2 pixel thick. If we'll not give this border attribute, then table will be created, but its border would not be shown. So here I have given the border to the table. Now within table tag we have to give tr tag. Tr means table row. Number of tr within table tags define number of rows in your table. For example, I have given my first tr tag. Here I have given my second tr tag. Now I am giving my third tr tag, and now it's my fourth tr tag. That means my table has 4 rows. Now in tr tag we can give th tag and td tag. Th means table heading and td means table data. So if we want to give heading to a table, then it should be given with the help of td tag. And the td tag always appears in the first first row of our table. So this is our first row. So we'll be writing td tag here, td. Even it has both opening and closing tag. Here I want to give first heading name. In second column, I want to give heading designation. And in third column, I want to give heading salary. So now my table has 3 rows and it has 3 columns. Now my first tr, I'm closing my first tr. In second tr, I will be giving the values to name, designation and salary. So for that we are using td tag, table data tag. And our first heading is name. I'm giving name A. Again start td. Second heading is designation. I'm giving it. I'm giving here it. And my third column is for salary. So I'm giving here salary. So I have created my second row. Similarly, I will create my third row. So now I have created my whole table, and you can see how it is appearing on our web browser. So this is our table. Now I want that the table width should cover 50% of my screen. So for that I will be giving width equals to 50%. Save it, and we can see it in our browser. So its width has increased to 50%. Now I want that the table background should be blue color, should be in blue color. So here I will be writing bg color equals to, within double quotes I'll be giving, you can give any color. I'm giving sea blue. Save it, and we can see its effect on our table. Now next I want that all the headings, each and every text in my table should be in different color. I want it in red color. So here in body, I will writing text equals to, I'm giving it blue. In blue color. And we can give many other things in our table, like we can give in our table we can create links also. We can give link attribute here, ahref equals so that this it can become a link and it will open some other web page to you. We can give picture, we can put different colors in our cells, and we can do many other things with our table in HTML.